The Bugatti W16 Mistral is a two-seater roadster with a quad-turbo 8.0-liter W16 engine that produces 1578 horsepower. It was revealed in August 2022, and all available units were pre-sold at around $5 million. Bugatti claims it is the fastest car without a roof, so let's see if they are true. Wow, that thing looks so fast. The track looks damp. Will it be able to perform well? Oh, the chase car is an Audi RS6. Of course, a helicopter is also involved. I guess if the Audi can't do it, this Bugatti Chiron Supersport will do the job. Ah, look at all these nerds talking, get ready. Even experts from Michelin had to give the green flag. Hey, the driver looks like me. Maybe they would also let me drive. Alright folks, let's see this thing perform. Who did it? That's 280.9 miles per hour. Nice, the Mistral can now officially join its other world record holding siblings. Despite not having the best weather, it broke the world record and became the fastest roadster in the world. Makes me wonder if it could go faster with better weather. What do you guys think?